Welcome back everyone to my YouTube channel Educator Jeevan, and in today's video I will give you idea about how to submit your work or assignment in Google Classroom from your Android phone or from any of the phones. Yes, for this guys, you know where you need to go for the Chrome. Yes, you all know that you need to go for the classroom.google.com, and yes, you'll come to your class. I'm already in my class. Okay, I will open in the grade 10. I will just go to the classwork. You can see that guys, I do have a due work, pending work over here. Now I want to do for the chemistry one. Just click over there. When you click, you'll just get the idea. You'll get these things. Now just go for the view assignment. Yes, when you go for the view assignment, you'll get the detail about the assignment. This assignment, you'll get the 10 points. It's due. And yes, there is one screenshot, or there is a set of questions that is already provided. Even you can see the instruction: complete the given set. So to check, it was the random one work, right? So just let's say it's a task that is given to me. You can view the tasks assigned by your teacher. Okay, sorry, let's again go for the view. Yes, after viewing that one, there's now you are supposed to, that's the set of the questions and the instruction provided by your teachers. Now you need to put your work. You have it's clearly written that your work. Now you need to add a work. Either you can do that in your docs file, either you can go for the file, or you have already done in your exercise book and you already have taken your photos in your mobile, and if you want to attach that also, you can do as per choice. Or you have already done in your Google Drive and you want to just go for the Google Drive and just you can copy that. You can just click that file and just submit it to your teacher. Right now, let's go for the file, and I want to go for the upload. Yes, you'll get the camcorder. You can even, if you want to send a video, if your job is to send a video, then you can go for the video. In a live video you can make it. Even you can go for the voice recorder, camera, and files. Right now I want to go to the files. Okay, in file also I want to go to my photos that I have recently clicked. I want to go for the camera. Yes, this is the recently that I clicked. I want to go for a done over here. Now guys, you can see that my file is uploading. You can even see there it's about to upload. Just wait for a few more seconds guys, and this is how you will upload it. But after this guys, still your work is left. See here, still your work is left. I suppose after this, if you want to send some of the private comments here, if you want to send it some of the private comments, like let's say you have done 1 2 3, but you have a problem in question number 4, let's say, then problem 4, I don't know about it, sorry teacher. Even you can send the sorry teacher. Even you can send your private comment while sending your assignment also. After doing this guys, don't forget to go for the hand in some of the device you'll get the turn in, and some of the device you'll get the hand in. Until and unless if you don't touch or don't click that one, then your assignment will be missing. Your assignment won't reach towards the teacher side. No, you need to be very careful that after completing all these things, that your private comment is optional. Whether you want to write it. If you don't want, don't write it. But don't forget to go for the hand in. I repeat again, in some of the device you'll also get the turn in. So after hand in, this thing will be popped out, and yes, now handing in. Yes, now only my work is submitted, because you can see there is unsubmit button. Don't go for the unsubmit button, otherwise your assignment will be unsubmit. It will be back towards you yourself. So now your job is done. That means you already submitted your tasks to a teacher. Guys, this is how you are supposed to send the submit the assignment in your Google Classroom. I hope this video is very useful for you guys. And guys, if you have anything to write down in the comment box below. And one more thing, guys, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel Educator Jeevan, then subscribe it right now, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive the notification for the future videos. Bye bye all, see you in next video.